All right, before we get in the video, there's gonna be a link in the description below for Robinhood. If you use that link to sign up, you get a free stock, I get a free stock. It's all good, and you stand a chance of getting some new stocks I haven't seen before. Slack, Uber, Beyond Meat, Energy Transfer, CenturyLink, Kronos Group, and many more. And the best part about it, it's totally free. You don't pay anything to trade, to buy, sell stocks, or stock options. So please use that link. It'll be greatly appreciated. Thank you in advance. What's going on, YouTube traders, investors? Today is week 11 of the $100 a week investing challenge on the Robinhood app. And as you can see, today we are up 2.62%, almost $30. Been a crazy week with investing. I know these volatile times make people jittery because you see your money going down, down, down. But you just got to understand the natural trend of stocks and the market is up. That's the natural trend. We got to go down to come up. But there were the Chinese trade talks, the devaluation of their currency, the yuan, however you pronounce it. Then the latest is the recession fears, where the yield curve inverted for a whole 3 minutes. The market dropped 800 points. I believe it was a big overreaction. As you can see, that was the only sign for 3 minutes that the recession was coming. Everybody knows that there's a cycle in the economy and there will be a recession, but usually there's going to be more than one symptom, one sign that only lasts 3 minutes. Maybe. But anyway, we're going to get into the updates on NRZ is the first stock we're going to look at. We added 3 shares of NRZ. We have an average cost of $15.10. We have 20 shares now. We're up today, almost 2%, but overall we're down almost 6%. But I do have some news on NRZ. And if you stay with the video, I'm going to jump into the Thinkorswim platform. I'm going to show you something with NRZ. Might be nothing, but I think it's something. So that's going to do it with NRZ. On to the next. The next stock is going to be Vici. We added 1 share of Vici. We're going to go ahead and jump into it. This is another one that we're up today, 0.5% almost, but we're down 6% total return. Vici, I've trying to chart it. It went down further than I thought it would, but it looks like we might have found a bottom. I'll throw a little update at the end of this video about Vici. I mean, Vici pays a very good dividend and they show a lot of promise. It's an experimental REIT that I think could take off. So that's the main reason I got into it. I don't expect like major things from Vici. It was kind of just like something to round out the portfolio. But we added 1 share. We have 13 shares. We're down 6% right now. So I'm probably going to continue to average down in this if it stays down. It's the thing that it's a particular stock that it caught my attention on Mad Money, Jim Cramer, CNBC, 5 o'clock, Monday through Friday. So check him out. He's usually pretty good with stocks. He's usually pretty good. So we're going to move on to the next. The next stock that we added to is AMD, and we're going to click on it right now. AMD, I did a closer look video. It hasn't posted. It'll probably post today. AMD is one of my growth stocks, and this is something I haven't talked about yet, but when we back out of this particular stock, I'm going to show you something. AMD was a stock that I got in. It was my new position. I wrote it up, took some profit. The market got super volatile with recession fears and all that. And I was like, you know what? Let me take some profit. I got out. But now it looks like things are calming down. I actually got back in this stock this morning. And I'm going to ride this one out. This is one of my growth stocks. I believe in AMD. They're taking market share from Intel and Nvidia. So watch that closer look video on AMD. But we'll jump into the stats. If you remember, I was in at 28.56 with 9 shares. I got out, took some profit, got back in today. I got in today at an average cost of $30.37. And as you can see, this stock is already up almost 5% today. I had a feeling it was going to bounce back today. And I was like, you know what? Let's get back in here and get this money. So this is one we're going to stay in. Today's return, 2.5% for me. And of course, the total return is going to be the same because we just got back in it today. So, but this is one I highly recommend. Check it out. And with the last stock in the portfolio, it's going to be Run. It's my biggest loser. Go ahead and click on it. Check it out. It was my biggest winner at one point, but all this craziness in the market has done a number. But I think Run can come back. And I believe in the solar panels. I believe in their business model. So without further ado, let's look at the damage. This is one that we added 7 shares of this just because it dropped so much. We added 7, we had 13, we're up to 20 shares now at an average cost of $17.41. As you can see, it's sitting at $15.44. So basically we're down $2 right now. We're down 11%, almost $40 in this position. It is what it is. I believe in it. I'm going to continue to average down if that's what I got to do. But I did a closer look video on Sunrun talking about their business model. Go check that out. I'll probably put a link somewhere in here. But yeah, that's going to pretty much conclude this video as far as the Robinhood portion. I am going to go jump into Thinkorswim and show you about NRZ. Just what I see in NRZ and why it may be a good time to jump into new residential investment. Plus you get like a 14% dividend yield. So stay tuned. All right, here we are on the 180-day chart of new residential investment, ticker symbol NRZ. And this is what I see on this 180-day chart. I see the market, what it did, it came all the way down to a low of 1386. This is that deep V after, last year, December 24th, all this craziness right here. The bounce back, and it's come down. This could be what you see right here, a double bottom. If you know anything about double bottoms, they're usually a positive sign. So look at NRZ, check it out, see if you see the same thing that I see. This is a potential double bottom bounce from here. So this is going to conclude this video. If you like the content, please subscribe, like the video, smash the bell for future notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.